How to use dark mode in Sololearn app. Want to reduce eye strain and make your screen easier on the eyes? Turning on dark mode in Sololearn is a great way to do it. First, open the app and tap on your profile icon. Then tap the settings gear icon to access your preferences. Scroll down until you see the night mode or dark mode option. Tap on it to activate dark mode instantly. The interface will switch to a darker theme, which is easier to view in low light environments and can help conserve battery. If your device uses system-wide appearance settings, Sololearn may follow that automatically, but you can still toggle it manually whenever you like. Using dark mode during long study sessions at night can help reduce eye fatigue and improve focus. Are you team dark mode or light mode? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can use dark mode in Sololearn app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.